What's up, YouTube? I am so excited to be back with another video. Okay, you already know who it is. It is your girl, Black Lunatic, and I am back with another video. I'm back with another video during quarantine. So in this video, I will be teaching you guys how to dance to Amapiano again. If you haven't watched my first one, I'll put the link in the description box below. Because some of the moves that I'm going to, say, or steps, I've already mentioned in my first video, so it's going to be helpful for you to watch it first. Okay, yes. We move. What did I want to say? I remember what I wanted to say. I wanted to say that most of you guys said after quarantine, Buya, Shisa. I don't want to swear because, Mara, you're going to dance. You are going to move. You are going out. So I am here to prepare you for that. When you get out there, you don't embarrass yourself and no, you move. You know what I mean? So my first video has 3 moves. This video is probably gonna have 3, I don't know, and some tips after that. So stay tuned. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So move number 1 is going to be called Ikuza. Ikuza. Like uyatuza. That's a tuza ukuza. Uyatuza. Okay? So the first step is going to be the same heel to toe that you saw in my first video. If you didn't see my first video, you're going to have to go check it out. The only difference this time is that only one leg will be doing the heel to toe, while the other one will be doing something different, but we'll get to that now. So step 1 of this is one goes heel to toe, while the other one bounces. So it's heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. You get it, right? So it's the same heel to toe, but this one ain't doing no heel to toe. Okay, we move. So as you're doing that, the second step to this move is that you bounce this one, but like bounce. How about I show you the move? So it's heel, toe, heel, toe. This one bounces. You see? Bounce, 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 bounce. That's how the move is. So it's heel, toe, bounce, lift it off the ground. So it's bounce, 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 bounce. Okay, so the third part of this move is ukukuza. The main thing, hey, the main thing in this move. So we're going to do the heel toe, and after this, or this, wherever you're comfortable, I'm comfortable here, you just kuza, just hey. Then you can carry on several times, but the important part is the hey, and don't hey, because it's not umphy, take it out and be like, hey, for oomp's sake, you know what I mean? Okay, and then what I noticed about my brother, he kind of like brings this leg in to make it look more, so they do something like, and it works for them, but it doesn't feel right for me, so you could do that. Remember what I said in my first video, that while you're dancing, put your personality into the dance. So this dance is going to look different when other people do it because of their personality in the dance. So this is my personality in this dance. Okay, don't judge me. It's not cute. So anyway, we do the heel, toe, step. That's the first move. And then my head decides it wants to join the video. Holla. Okay guys, so let's check the first move again. So it's heel, toe, hoi. Then you can hoi again, hoi. 3 times in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, maybe not 3 times, but you get what I'm trying to say. Excuse me for the angle change, but the sun went down. People gotta move to get the things to be done. Okay, but we move. Drink water because dancing is tiring. So just carry something while you practice. Food again, while it's quarantining in the house, you have plenty of water. Everywhere there is water. Do the most. Okay, good. So the second move is Tikoloshi. You know how Tikoloshis are, man? That's how they walk, right? So we're technically going to be doing that, but with more sauce, with more zhuzh. I don't like the song personally because I was raised by you are what you say, so it says Tikoloshi, so I don't sing it. But again, the beat is good. I'm not discrediting the people that wrote it or produced it. we move. So the first step to this is the stance. Your legs should be shoulder width apart and slightly tilted to the side which you're going to lean back, to the opposite side. Excuse that, we are on Earth. Cars are going to pass, planes are going to pass, children are going to make noise, so I'm not going to say excuse me the following time you hear something like that. Okay, we move. So, shoulder width apart, slightly tilted, that is your first step. Your second step is leaning back. Leaning back. Okay, well, you know, go down. And the third step is to sway. Sway. Sway, left and right. Sway. Sway. The fourth step is your leg. It should just pounce. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. You know those are in church. Oh yes, oh yes. We're not doing that. So anyway, we just pounce. You see? Stance, tilted, lean back, pounce, and sway. The lower you go, the better. I ain't that flexible, so I ain't finna go down, but I'm gonna go down, you know. That is the third one. So, my brother taught me the whole thing, that all in all, you do what I just taught you. Don't overthink it, like I just did. So, you... And after that, you take 2 steps. 1, 2, other side, lean back. Do the same thing. And then there's a part in the song, I'm gonna play the song in the end, you know, when we're doing the moves, where it says, Tikoloshi. That's when you know, I don't even have to explain that. You literally squat position, hands on your thighs. I don't know what this is called, but you do that. Okay, great. And then the third move is the mising move. The mising move is not necessarily a move, but it's the move which you dance when you're waiting for a certain part in Gomen, or you're waiting for the song that you want. So instead of just waiting until a song that you like comes on, you should have like a mise move, you know, a move you're going to be doing while you're waiting. You get what I'm saying? So maybe instead of me waiting like this, I usually wait like this. You know, you do something. My brother says he usually waits by doing this. What is the first move called? The kuza, but without kuzaring. But without actually kuzaring. So it's like he just waits like this, you know. And then the part he comes when the part he wants comes, then he exaggerates it. You know what I mean? So he waits like this, but then when the part he wants comes, that's when he, you know. So the mise move, excuse me, it's my brother, my other brother from another mother. Yes. So the third move is a mise move. Honestly, I don't have a specific mise move to teach you guys. You could check my previous video. Maybe this could be a mise move, you know. His mise move is that he just showed me. But I'm sure he doesn't do that. But you know what I mean? So you have your own mise move that works for you. I personally mise like that. My brother mises like this. Who else do I know? Others, they just literally, you know. Yes! And so before I show you the dances with a song, I want to give you guys a few tips when you are dancing that we're going to use when we actually dance. So my brother and I put together these 3 tips for you guys. One day my brother will feature on my YouTube channel, but for now he doesn't want to. I don't know why. Boy things, guy things, whatever. He dances. But we move. The first tip is never stand still, because it makes you look like an amateur. And the aim when you're dancing is to look like you know what you're doing. So if you stand still, you know, you look like, you know, Briganeda, you know, what is going on. You know, you don't know what you're doing. So just move. I swear you are going to get it. Just move. Okay? The second tip is don't think, just dance. Because most of the times when we think, we overthink the move. I'm sure you're going to see in the video there are some times when I actually overthought the moves and I didn't move as I was supposed to. Of course, as I'm teaching you guys the video, teaching you guys how to dance right now, I'm more rigid. But of course, when it's the time, you know, you loosen up a little, you just flow. But don't overthink, just move, you know. Because when you overthink, you're going to think of other moves too, and then it's going to, you know, kind of mess with your dance. And the third tip is personally from me, I say feel the dance, be within the dance, you know, feel what you're doing. Even though it is wrong, but I am telling you, if you feel it, it is going to look right. Or at least people are going to think so. You know, there's a difference between me doing this and me doing this. You know, it's the same thing, but the second time I'm feeling it. You know, feel the move. So now I'm going to dance. The 3 dance moves I taught you, well, 2.5. The Mize move is a tip and a dance. I'm going to play a song where I'm going to teach you, well, you guys are going to see everything I just taught you come together. With the feel it tip, there's going to be a move where I'm going to just move. It's not going to be a move, but because I'm feeling it, you guys are going to notice the difference, and you will comment in the section. You will comment in the comment section below if you realize, you know, okay, this move isn't a move, but because I am doing it and I am feeling it and it's going with the song, it looks like a move, but it's a move. You know what I'm saying? Let's finish up this video because I'm sure it's already too long, but hey, you've got time. It's quarantine. That was so wrong.